Hello guys, today we'll be unboxing this product called Sparkle by Bright Stripes. This is the 4 dual tip pen nail pens. Here's the box, here's the back. They give us a green, a pink, blue, and black pen. And they also give this nail filer. Also, forgot to notice that this is a mermaid themed. So let's get this open. In this box, we have the pens and the stickers. And this is how you work. I'm gonna show you guys how these are and close-ups. So let's do it. The instructions. So here is the things that you have to do. First, you need to file the shape of your nails, like how you want your nails to be. I have small nails because I just cut my nails. Before painting your nails, wash and dry your hands. File your nails so they have a nice smooth edge. Okay, then shake the nail polish. The third one is twist off cap to use the brush. Use the brush to paint your nails. Tips: brush on 2 thin coats of polish for even coverage. So then number 4 tip: pull off caps for detailed tip. That is the end of these. Add dots, lines, fine details to your nails with your nail pen. So then unclog the tip with the tool stored in the bottom of the pen when needed to keep the color flowing smoothly. When your nails are dry, carefully peel off a nail sticker from the sheet. Apply to your nail, color in with a pen tip. Then you can add some glitter. Place your hand over a piece of paper to collect any loose glitter, because glitter is messy. So let's get painting our nails. Okay, so here are the pens. We have 4 different colors, as you can tell. They're really pretty, and I'm going to be showing you up close. So here are some of the pens. The blue one has some glitter that it's in the bottom that you can open it up here. Here's the glitter. And the pens, here are how the pens work. They have the nail polish in this part of it. You take this off, and this part of the pen, it's for small details and to put nail polish on top of the stickers. In the bottom part, you take off this. The bottom part, it's a regular brush that you can paint your nails. This is the blue one, and there's also 3 other more colors that are the same. But the black one is kind of different. The black one has sparkles instead in the paint. So here it is. Now I'm going to be showing you when I paint my nails. To have a smoother nail, you need to file your nail as much as you want. I'm not doing that much, but here they are. I'm doing on every hand. Here is the pink one. I'm gonna paint my nails now with the pink. It's really pretty, it's really bright, and it stays really nice. And here's the yellow or green. It'll be like neon green. And here's the gray, the glitter. It's really pretty. I love the glitter. And it's really smooth. Okay, so now we have one of the stickers that I'm going to be putting on this. I put it on the detail part of the pen, and I'm just going to plant it here. There's many designs of stickers that you can use. They're really pretty and they stick well. So, yeah. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Here's my hand. Now I just need my pinky and I'm all done. Okay, so I'm gonna do a different design. I'm gonna put paint on the tip. It's really pretty. Okay, so I'm all done. You can do different things and different designs. I did a polka dot on that one and like this type of thing there. But this is really fun and it's animal cruelty free. So that's really nice. And I really like this. I'm gonna do both of my hands in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I'm now all finished and the end product, I really like it. It's really pretty. I love the colors and I really like that it's so smooth and it doesn't leave that much mess. There's also glitter. This one is a silver one, so I could make little designs in the glitter one. And the stickers, there are different types, so you have like some things that you can choose from. And this could really help if your nails are not sharp or like smooth enough. So recommend that. And I really had fun. So go buy it. It will be in the description so you get one yourself. This was super fun and you can do this with friends and you'll really enjoy this. Have a nice day. Thank you so much. Bye.